Hello everyone, good afternoon all. Myself Professor Rahul Bhandekar, Assistant Professor, Computer Science and Engineering Department from Vainganga College of Engineering and Management, NAM. Today in this session we are going to learn about the process states in an operating system. Before that we must know what is the process. Actually a process is a program in its execution and it is uh, it is more than a program code called as text section, and this concept work under all the operating system because all the tasks performed by the operating system needs a process to perform the task. During its execution, a process goes through different states. Understanding these states help us see how the operating system manages the process and ensuring that the computers run efficient. Next, we will learn about the process states in an operating system. There are five process states in an operating system. The, these are the process states in process state diagram. First one is the new state, second one is the ready state, third one is the running state, fourth one is the waiting state, and uh, and uh, fifth one is the terminate. In new state, the process is just being created and it's not yet in the memory. We will see the diagram of process state. The next state is a ready state. A process is waiting for the CPU to be allocated to it. It is in a queue ready to run when its turns come. Next one is the running state. This process is currently executing instructions on the CPU. Next one is the waiting state. The process is waiting for an event to occur, such as an input-output operation to complete. Next one is the terminate state. In terminate state, the process has finished its execution. So we will see the actual uh, working of process state diagram. In new state, the process is created. Once the process is created, there are three types of schedulers in process state. One is short-term scheduler, another one is long-term scheduler, and third one is medium-term scheduler. In between a new state and ready state, there is a long-term scheduler. The actual work of long-term scheduler is to dispatch the newly created processes from new state to ready state. When the process is dispatches to ready state, the ready state maintains one ready queue. From that ready state, the processes is dispatches to running state with the help of short-term scheduler. The short-term scheduler selects a processes from the ready state and dispatches to the running state based on the scheduling algorithm. There are many scheduling algorithms in an operating system, like first come first serve scheduling algorithm. Next one is shortest job scheduling algorithm, round robin scheduling algorithm, priority scheduling algorithm. Based on the algorithm, the short term scheduler selects the process from the ready state and dispatches that processes to the running state. uh, in running state, the is processes is get executed. Means the CPU allocated to the processes in running state. There are two type of scheduling. One is preemptive scheduling and another one is the non-preemptive scheduling. Non-preemptive scheduling is a scheduling where the process, once the process gets the CPU, it executed till the till its execution. And in preemptive scheduling, once the once if the highest priority highest priority process comes, then the lowest priority process should get preempted from the execution. Once the process is running in a running state, then uh, if the highest priority process comes, then the lowest priority process get preempted and is in the waiting state. Is in the waiting state, uh, um, is in the waiting state to wait for the wait for the CPU. If the if the CPU is not allocated to the uh, processes that is in the waiting state, then it again goes to the ready state. If the process is waiting for a longer time, then that process get blocked. In running state, if the process is executed, then it goes to the terminated state, and that process is terminated. This is all about the process state diagram. Thank you so much.